Welcome to the Zen8x Technology Office platform. This is a private meeting, and this meeting is only for the members. And today's topic is going to be about Cardano and how we can monetize and use the Cardano platform. So what is Cardano and why Cardano? And again, like I said, this is a private meeting only for the Diamond, the Gold, the VIPs, the BC, the SE, the RE, and the ABC members. This is not financial advice. Use your own mind to make your own decision. This is only for education purposes and entertainment purposes. Now the Cardano ECC pool is live. The Cardano ECC pool is live. And again, this is a special offer only for the Diamond, the Gold, and the VIPs and the other coded members. What is Cardano and why do we want to use Cardano? All of this information is available on the website, cardano.org. You can go to that website and it will give you all of the detailed information. The crypto symbol for Cardano is ADA. ADA is the crypto symbol. And the most important thing is that for you to take action first, take the action first for yourself, build your team, and create your wealth. For those of you who are interested in becoming part of the ECC Cardano LP team, there is a registration form that looks like this. So complete your name, your first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, your Panda Chat username. If you have the Panda Chat username, then enter it over here. Who referred you? And then you must have your Trust Wallet ETH address, Trust Wallet ETH address. So enter it over here. Your team leaders and managers will help you to make sure that you enter the correct ETH address here and then submit. So that way we know that you're interested in joining the ECC Cardano team. Now, in the first phase, we are launching the first phase. Only 10 leaders will be selected. 10 leaders and members will be selected. There is basic training in the ADA Trust Wallet training is going to be given. There is a basic training requirement that must go through. And then all of the leaders who are part of this membership group in phase one, all of the leaders must get ABC 50, 100 to 50, 500 or 1000 code. You must have one of these codes. And that's the most important thing as a requirement for phase one. After we finish phase one, we will open up phase two to add other members, and then we will continue to build the ECC Cardano LP team. Now, what is Cardano? Okay, Cardano is a cryptocurrency by using various blockchains. It's a third generation decentralized proof of stake blockchain platform. It is very fast and cost effective. And again, the most important thing is that, again, this system has been designed and is a very stable system since 2017. And the Punk Panda group, along with the Zen8x group, are going to be using the Cardano Binance platform to create the liquidity for the members to buy and sell the contracts by creating peer-to-peer private transactions, thereby creating an exceptional high performance gain. Now, what are the 6 unique features about Cardano? Point number one, it has a new smart contracts platform that is getting implemented. Number two, the platform is faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Point number three, it's very energy efficient. Number four, the fees are lower than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Number five, you get a massive opportunity for growth and potential for profit of 2 times to 3 times or even more. And the other important thing is that there's a massive expansion happening into Africa, Asia, South America. And the reason is because of the huge population that is looking for opportunities. Okay. And again, like I said, Cardano, the Zen8x, and the Punk Panda groups are active in these regions for the expansion of ECC and the expansion of the Cardano project. Now, this is a chart. This is a chart that we are going to go into a little bit of details in this chart. We are going to go through some of the details in this chart. And this chart is going to change in relation to the Cardano market prices. Okay. And also the ADA rates or the Cardano rates will also be based on the Binance exchange platform. So now there are going to be there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 codes available. So you can decide to get the BC50 code or the ABC50, ABC100, ABC250, ABC500, or the ABC1000 code. So there are only these codes available. And the reason you want to be part of this codes, you want to get these codes, is because the opportunity is basically from 58% to 300% growth over the next 1.5 years. Okay, so that's the reason why you're going to be part of this Cardano, the ECC Cardano LP team. And we are going to go into some of the details of this chart and explain to you exactly what is it that you get for each of these codes. And again, the leaders who get, and the members that get the ABC 500 or the ABC 1000 code, they will get the highest rewards, bonuses, and incentives, and also special promotions for building the ECC Cardano LP team. Now, when you get each of these codes, okay, the BC, ABC 50, 100, 250, 500, 1000, you will instantaneously get ECC along with your ABC link. Okay, so you'll get immediately the ECC along with the ABC link, as you can see over here. And also, if you get the ABC 500 and the ABC 1000, you will also get the P100 link or the P100 coded link, which is a VIP member status inside our system. Okay, so either it's a plus membership or a VIP membership that you will get if you are in the ABC 500 and ABC 1000 code. Now, what is the use of this ECC? The use of this code for ECC is that you can join the ECC lending pool. Okay, terms and conditions apply, or you can use the ECC to upgrade to a VIP member status. Okay, or you help other people in your team to upgrade to the VIP status, or you convert your ECC to cash, terms and conditions apply, or you can use the ECC as a loyalty rewards program for your business. Thereby, you have to get some special training as required to use the program. So those are all the benefits of getting the ECC. So along with the ABC code, you will also get the ECC as it is specified here in this chart. And what do you actively get right now in terms of ADA? Okay, so what you get right now immediately in terms of ADA, and this is based on a market price of Cardano at 2.1, market price based on 2.1. So instantaneously you will get, if you got the ABC 50, you will get 2.38 ADA in your trust wallet. If you got the $100 code, you'll get 4.76 ADA in your trust wallet. If you got the 250, you will get 11.9 ADA. And if you've got the 500 code, you'll get 23.8 ADA. And if you've got the 1000 code, you will get 47.62 ADA. So that's what you will get right away when you get started into the coded program. What happens in the third month? Well, in the third month, 60 days later, and this is based on the price of ADA staying at $2.5. This is a forecasted price. Now, if the price changes, it'll, of course, these numbers will also change. But what will happen is that in the third month, you'll get another 2 ADA if you're at the 50 range. If you're in the 100 range, you'll get 4 ADA. If you're at the 250 range, you'll get 10 ADAs. If you're in the 500 code, you'll get 20 ADA. And if you're in the 1000 code, you will get another 40 ADA in the third month. What happens in the fifth month? Well, in the fifth month, again, the next 60 days later from the third month, and this is again assuming the price of ADA now will increase maybe to about $3. And again, this chart will change accordingly to the pricing, and the quantity will vary based on the pricing. So now what will happen is that in the 5th month, if you have the $50 code, you'll get 1.6 ADA or 1.67 ADA. If you have the $100 code, you'll get 3.33 ADA. If you've got the $250 code, you'll get the 8.3 ADA. 500 will give you 16.7 ADA, and the $1,000 code will give you 33.33 ADA. So that's in the 5th month. So as you can see, your ADAs and Cardano with every month and every 60 days is increasing. So you can see 2.3, 2, 1.67. In the case of 100, it was 4.76, then 4, and then 3.3, then 11, 10, 8.3. So you can see every 60 days, you're adding more and more ADA is getting added to your Trust Wallet. What happens in the 7th month? In the 7th month, same thing. And we are assuming that the value of ADA now, in the 7th month down the line is of approximately 3.5 Canadian or 3.5 US dollars. And again, the quantity will be based on the price of ADA. So we are assuming that the price of ADA at that point in time is 3.5. So you'll get approximately, if you have the $50 code, 1.43. If you have $100 code, you'll get 2.86. If you have the $250 code, you'll get 7.14 ADAs. If you have the $500 code, you will get 14.7 ADAs. And if you have the $1,000 code, you will get 28.57 ADA. What happens in the 9th month? Same thing. Again, the next 60 days, you're going to get more ADAs. And now we are assuming that the price of ADA, the market price of ADA is $4. Okay, this is an assumption that we are making. If the price is less, then it's great. You're going to get more ADA. If the price is more, then you will get less. Okay, but if the price is less, you will get more ADAs, right? Now, in this example, we are making an assumption of $4 as the market price. So if you have the $50 code, you will get 1.25 ADAs. $100 code will give you 2.5 ADA. The $250 code will give you 6.25 ADAs. The $500 code will give you 12.5 ADAs. And the $1,000 code will give you 25 ADAs. What happens in the 11th month? In the 11th month, same thing. You'll be getting more ADAs added to your wallet. And now we are assuming that the price of ADA in the 11th month is about $4.5 in the market, $4.5 in the market. So approximately, your $50 code will give you 2.67 ADA. Your $100 code will give you 5.56 ADA. Your $250 code will give you 13.78 ADA. Your $500 code will give you 27.6 ADA, and your $1,000 code will give you 55.11 ADAs. Now, what happens in the 13th month? In the 13th month, which is the next 60 days, will be the final delivery of all of your total ADAs, the final delivery of all of your total ADAs. So in the 13th month, okay, which is the final delivery, what is going to happen is that you're going to be, again, this is based on the market price of $5 per ADA. So in the 13th month, you're going to get, if you have $50 code, you're going to get another 8.4 ADA. If you have the $100 code, you will get 16.60 ADA. If you have the $250 code, you'll get 41.6 ADA. And if you have the $500 code, you'll get 83.2 ADA. And then if you have the $1,000 code, then you will get the 166.4 ADA. Now, as you can see over here in this chart, if you have a higher code, the higher code, that will always give you the highest amount of ADAs or Cardanos coming into your wallet. Okay, so the 500 will give you the highest. Like in this case, you get 23, 20, 16, 14, 12, 27, 83. Okay, or if you have in the case of basically 1000, you get 47 over here, 40, 33. Okay, 55, 166. So you see, as you can see on this chart, you will get most or the highest amount when you have the highest code, which is the ABC 1000 code. After the 13 months, the total amount of ADAs that you have received, the total amount of ADAs or Cardano that you have received in your Trust wallet after the 13th month, in the total, that your $50 code will have generated 19.79 ADAs or Cardano. $100 code will give you 39.61 ADA. The $250 code will give you 99.01 ADA. The $500 code will give you 198 ADAs. And the $1,000 code will give you 396 ADAs. Now, this is all based on the forecast value, based on each of these cycles, the 3rd month, the 5th month, the 7th month, the 9th month, the 11th month, and the 13th month, and also what the price points are at that point of ADA. So that's how we are computing these numbers. And again, it'll change, right? So, if the market, conditions change, obviously, some of these numbers will be a little bit higher or less, right? Or maybe even you'll be getting a much more than this. So again, just depends on the market price month to month of a Cardano project as we are going along in the market conditions at the present time. So what is the profit potential? Okay, so what is the profit potential? How much is your ADA worth after 13 months? Or how much is your Cardano going to be worth after 13 months? Well, the forecast is basically, we are saying that, after 13 months, the value of Cardano could be, $6, could be $7, $8, even $10. Okay, we don't know, but we're just doing a forecast over here. So basically, if you're doing that as a forecast, how much will your $50 generate? Okay, how much will your $50 generate? So in this chart, you can see here your $50 would have generated a profit of between $68 to $108. Okay, that's the profit that you have generated. Plus, you're going to get your $50 back also. Okay, that's why it's called 158 in total. Okay, what is the profit that you will generate? What is the profit that you will generate with the ABC $100 code? Well, the profit you will generate is between $137 to $216. Okay, plus you're going to get your $100 back. Okay, because again, all of that is built in. The profit, if it is $250, you're going to generate a profit of $344 to $542 in profit. Plus, you're going to get your $250 back. It's included in the ADA in total that you're getting. What's the profit you're going to generate with the ABC 500 code? With 500 code, ABC 500 code, you'll generate a profit of $688 to $1,080 approximately. Plus, you're going to get your $500 back. Okay, it's included in the ADA. And if it is $1,000, your profit is going to be $1,376 to $2,168. Plus, you're getting your $1,000 back, whatever you put in. Okay, because that's the capital that you put in or the funding that you purchase your ADA with. So as you can see, this staking with the ECC and the ADA is quite very, very profitable. And again, potential for growth and gains. In addition to this profit, you're also getting the ECC bonus. You're also getting the ECC bonus in addition to this profit. Okay, and that ECC bonus is that you received right at the beginning. Okay, so these are all reasons why you need to be part of the ECC Cardano LP team. Now the ECC Cardano LP pool, we have a referral bonus, and this is only applicable to the diamond, the gold, the VIP, the BC code, the SC code, the RE real estate code, and the ABC coded members. So they are the only ones who are going to be getting these referrals. So you get a 20% maximum referral paid to you in cash or in smart chain on your Trust wallet. Okay, in cash or smart chain in your Trust wallet. And if you are giving us the direct referral, then you get 10%. If you're a team leader or a manager, then you get the extra 10%. Okay, so the maximum of 20% is given as direct referral bonus. If you're a team leader or the manager and it is your direct referral, then the team leader or the manager, you will get your 20%. Okay, now the important thing for you to understand, you just have to refer 5 to 10 people and your ABC code is going to be free. Refer 5 to 10 people and your ABC code will be free. And the more people you refer, of course, you're going to be making a lot of profit, from 10 to 20% in profit. Okay, so definitely my recommendation to everybody is get your ABC code, which is your ABA, ADA blockchain code. Take action for yourself first. Okay, take action for yourself first, build your team, and then create your wealth at the same time. Build your team and create your wealth at the same time. And like I said here, 10%, just to recap, 10% goes as a direct referral. 10% as the other direct referral goes to your team leaders or the managers. And then if you're a team leader or a manager, and if you have made the direct referral yourself as a team leader or manager, then you get the 20%. And then get started for yourself and refer 5 to 10 people and your code is free. So now the final question is, are you open-minded to create wealth? Well, that's the question. Are you open-minded to create wealth? If you are, then definitely contact your team leader or manager or the sponsor, and they will give you all of the detailed information. Get your ABC code as soon as possible and get started now. With that, I'm pretty much done. Thank you everybody for listening. Have a great day.